So welcome to Maths with H. In this question, we are asked to find the minimum point of this curve. So they are asking what is the minimum point of this curve. Okay. So how do we get the minimum point of this curve? Let's go. Now that minimum point is also what we call the turning point. Remember, whenever you plot a quadratic graph like this and you discover that the coefficient of the first term is positive, it will give you a minimum curve like this. It will give you a parabola. So they are asking about this point. Okay, remember, let's assume we have your x and y axis somewhere. Okay, so this point for x and y, these are the 2 points we are looking for. These are the points we want to get. So how do we get those 2 points? Remember, this is just a rough sketch anyway. Okay, so how do we get these 2 points? Now the minimum point is also the turning point because it is at that point that the curve changes direction. Let's assume you are having a car descending down the slope. As it gets here, it turns and begins to ascend again. So that is why it is also called the turning point. And from our knowledge of calculus, the turning point is always your first derivative. So when you differentiate with respect to x, this function, now you can differentiate x squared, that gives us 2x, differentiate this, that gives us 6, and we equate it to 0. That's our turning point. So let's make x the subject of the formula. X becomes 2x equals to 6, therefore x is equal to 3. So we have gotten our value for x here as 3, so remaining the solution to y. How do we get y? All we have to do now to get y is actually from this equation here. We substitute this value into this. So x equals to 3, so we're going to have 3 squared minus 6 into 3 plus 5. Can you see that? And so that will give us what? 3 squared is what? 3 squared is 9. 6 times 3, that gives us 18, then plus 5. Can you see that? So that we are having that our y is what? Is minus 9 plus 5. And minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. Okay, so our y is minus 4. Minus 4. So which means that we've actually gotten the point. The point x, y is, our x is what? Is 3. And our y is minus 4. So this is the minimum point of this problem. So I hope you've gained value from this. Do have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video. There are so many persons out there, thousands and millions of people and students who will need this. Okay, do have a great day. Bye.